Hello again! In this lesson, I will show you how to use the SEO Content Template tool. It was designed to help you create templates for SEO-friendly pieces of content that will bring traffic to your website. Just enter your target keywords and you will immediately receive recommendations on how to create relevant content. Let's look at how it works. It is placed on the left-hand menu. Enter a keyword or a group of up to 30 keywords that you are targeting. The tool will analyze the strategy of your top 10 competitors and show you key recommendations, including semantically related keywords that can widen the information coverage of your content, a list of domains worth trying to explore in order to acquire backlinks, optimal length and readability of content. Also, you will see how your top 10 competitors are using your target keywords. At the bottom of the page, you will find some simple suggestions about what keywords you may want to add to your title, meta, and H1 tags, and to the main text. You can export all of these results to a doc file and use them for creating SEO-friendly content. Overall, this tool is rather easy to use and it helps you save time. So let's sum up. The SEO Content Template tool advises you on how to create SEO-friendly content building on a list of keywords. Practice is important, so don't forget to play around with this tool by entering your own keywords. It is crucial to study the Read Further section since it contains more information needed to pass the exam. You can also visit our knowledge base and look at the posts on the Semrush blog related to the SEO Content Template tool.